My childhood in New York was pretty much routine, going to the school at daytime, public school, the site conservation class, and in the afternoon going to the rabbi. Actually, he was a Malamed, not a rabbi. He appeared to be in his 90s. He wore gotchkes, which is the long white underwear, and unfortunately the tail, the back was always open and you'd see his rear end, and 90% of the time he was koshering meat because he lived alone. And I'd sit there and do the prayers, go right straight through, and even though the water was running or he was busy doing, he could always tell if I said an ah instead of an or an eh, and I'd have to start going over again. I remember that he lived upstairs in a two-story house, and there was absolutely no lights on. And so when I went up the stairs creaked, and I was absolutely frightened. I ran up and ran down each time, and I hated going there because it was so frightening. And then when we went on the farm, things completely changed. My mother never wanted to go to the farm. She wanted me to become a rabbi. She thought I was brilliant. And you know, if you go out to the farm, there's no way that you're going to get that kind of education. As I said before, my father was born 100 years too late. He should have been a cowboy. All he wanted his sons to grow up on a farm. And his idea was that each one of the sons would take another part of the farm, and they would have a big, big you know, farm, and everybody would be involved. And it turned out that we lost the farm because of the hurricane in 1955, which is a whole story into itself.